Hello, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can convert a picture into PDF. Before that, kindly subscribe to my channel and like my videos if they help you in any way. So to convert a picture into PDF, what we have to do is to open the picture, and here you can see I have a jpeg file and I'll open it. Our main task is to print the file, and here you can see the print option, or you can click on the picture and print. So I'll print, and you'll see this box here where you can select the printer. Click on the box and you will find Microsoft Print to PDF. Select that. Choose how your picture is going to be. It's going to be A4 and fit page or shrink to page, and print. Now it will ask you what is the name going to be and where you want to save this file. I'm going to save it in the same folder, ID guy, and the name is PDF, and save. Now you can see I have this PDF here of the picture and it's converted successfully. Thank you for watching.